We've made it inside. I got the green on my scan. The track and trace is green. I'm in the clear. And seeing deep inside these kitchens. I care about that. I want to see deep inside. Oh, what's that smell? That smells nice. Where's that from? There's a nice smell coming from somewhere. Could it be Burger King? Whoa. What on earth? I just can't help it, really. I'm addicted. I have an addiction. 1 triple whopper, 1 double whopper, 1 single whopper, double cheeseburger, 2 fries, 1 large drink, ice cream, and 1 more singular cheeseburger. That just might be enough for a small snack. Oh, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, then my name is Jason. Whoa, what's that? My name is Jason, aka Wildman Cobra, aka Mr. Yoisa, aka Mr. Haojongguan, aka whatever you want. Wow, so we are back on our journey, on our adventure through the city of Guiyang. And we are just, if you haven't seen the last video, I was on the metro station and we had a bit of difficulty traveling there, so go and check it out. That was the previous video. Now, onwards with our adventure. Our adventure on the real streets of Guiyang, a second-tier city in Guizhou province, one of the poorest provinces in all of China. So I'm going to show you what it's like in Guiyang. Jiao, do you want to get some? Wow, pig's feet and someone beeping. Wow, a guy on a scooter, an old grandma trying to get in the vlog. Oh, why are they so like bloated up? We're just near the Guiyang railway station, so there's a lot of travelers around with suitcases. Vegetables there. The streets are hustling and bustling with people. It's a lively, chilly, quite chilly, a wonderful, what time is it? It's 12. It's 12 in the afternoon. And we're looking for something to eat. Well, Jiao's looking for something to eat because she's very picky when it comes to food. Not like me, I'll just settle for a humble burger. Ah, some more meat. The streets are hustling and bustling and there's someone... Why has he got an umbrella? For some reason, that grandma's got an umbrella. It's not raining and it's not sunny either, so interesting. Interesting umbrella rationality. Oh, we're gonna get... Jiao's taking a very treacherous path here. So we're in the big city, the second-tier city. Some people may argue that this is indeed a third-tier city. Well, I disagree with you because on Wikipedia it says that it's a second-tier city. Here we have marijuana. Whoa, this restaurant looks busy. We should go there. But Jiao walks straight past. In China, if you see a busy restaurant, you should walk straight in because that's when you know that it's a good restaurant. Wow, look at this meat. I would love a mouthful of that. Oh, that was a sad. That looks nice. What's this van doing? This van is blocking the video. Is it going to reverse? Whoa. Wow, where are we going? Oh, what's that smell? That smells nice. Where's that from? There's a nice smell coming from somewhere. Could it be Burger King? The journey continues. Where is Jiao? Where is Jiao leading us on this video?
We're looking for a toilet.
You're looking for a toilet?
Oh, this one's there.
Jiao needs another massive poo. Jiao's saying don't mention that in the videos.
I need a wee.
You need a wee? She's trying to cover it by saying she needs a wee. Actually, she needs a massive, humongous poo. Wow. Oh, this is the food street, is it? We have made it to the famous food street that's never ending. Yeah, this is the back of it. Should we sneak in? Can we sneak in through the back end? Whoa, now that looks spicy, very spicy. Can we sneak in through here? Ah, we can. Temperature check and a scan. I'm gonna scan my phone, my beautiful Huawei phone. Let's scan again.
体温正常。
We've made it inside. I got the green on my scan. The track and trace is green. I'm in the clear. And this is once again that food street that you may have seen about 2 months ago. Ah, a French Chinese person with a beret there. Look at the length of this insane food street. Truly insane. It's not that busy actually. I guess we're quite early. It's only 12. Wow, lots of people eating all kinds of different food and stuffing their faces. It looks quite lovely indeed. Wow, so we get a closer look inside the kitchens. Let's take a look. Zhao's storming off because she wants like food. That's the only thing she cares about. She doesn't care about this video and seeing deep inside these kitchens. I care about that. I want to see deep inside. Wow, fur coat. Zhao seems to have found her store of her liking. The store of her liking is... What's this store? Noodles?
Dumpling and noodles.
Dumpling and noodles with radish on the side. Wow, I'm going to continue. I'm going to continue and leave Zhao with the store because I want to take you deep inside all of these kitchens. And I'm going to point the camera where it's never been pointed before. Wow, people are ordering all sorts of food. Impressive. Monster. It seems that each store is sponsored by Monster Energy. Whoa, what is that? That looks lovely. Ah, some kind of oysters here. Wow. Potato, some kind of fried potato dish. Meat on a stick. Chef checking the phone there. I deeply apologize for my intrusive camera to all these chefs. Oh, tofu. Oh, what's this one? Wow. Oh, there's no chef in this one. The chefs are on a break. Oh, fried rice, eh? It's just never ending. It's just a never ending row of goodies. Snacks, all kinds of food. Right, let's head back. Let's head back. Where's Zhao gone? Zhao is down there somewhere. Interesting. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. What would you like to eat? Leave it in the comments below. Leave it in the comments below what you would like to eat, and I will personally package it up and send it to you. Wow, I guess I don't have to wear this mask anymore. Man. What an interesting place. Interesting place with all the lanterns. A lot of travelers around. Oh, and right next to the store that Zhao went to was some kind of bubble tea fruit store. So what did you order then? Dumplings. Right, so Zhao's got her food here. She's got dumplings. How much were these dumplings?
12.
12 RMB. The exact same price of 2 tickets on the metro. It was 6 each, yeah? 12 RMB, $1 for a tub of dumplings, and she's adding the spice on now. And so now, oh, are you gonna add something else? Oh, chopsticks. How about a radish?
Nah.
No radish? Okay, so now the question is, Zhao has her food. The question is, what indeed do I eat? Well, many of you may know already. Many of you may know already the answer to that question, which is quite simple, really. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm gonna eat. I know, people, I know. Let me explain this for a second. Everyone in the comments say shame on me. Shame on the Cobra. Shame on Wildman. Shame on Mr. Yuisa. I should be trying all this Chinese food. Some of these foods I've never even tried before. So shame on me, but I just can't help it, really. I'm addicted. I have an addiction. We're going to the one, the only, the infamous. Let me show you in a second. Hold on. I can't reveal it just yet. The one and only. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. I know I just ate it literally yesterday in the other video, in the hotel video, but we're going in again. It's Burger King, baby. Burger King for every meal whilst we're on this trip. We're going in. Wow, it's just a truly lovely place. Let me grab the door at the top so it's less dirty. And here we have it. Wow, just order on the phone. Let me just check if they have that bacon one. I think they don't have it. I don't know why they got rid of the Bacon King. I'm very disappointed. You order on your phone? Oh. Chow's gonna order on her phone while we find some lovely seating inside this Burger King. Whoa, they even put a little, hold on. Gonna get a crown on my head. There we go, I'm the king. We're sitting in our favorite place in this Burger King. Oh, we can actually see a little sneak into the kitchen there. What are all those gas canisters? I deeply apologize to Burger King for being so nosy. Here we are, the home of the Whopper. Wow.
What do you want?
I want 1 triple Whopper, 1 double Whopper, 1 single Whopper, double cheeseburger, 2 fries, 1 large drink, ice cream, and 1 more singular cheeseburger. That just might be enough for a small snack. So we're sat here, we're waiting for the burger now. We're in Burger King, the one and only. Hamba Wang.
Then put the Mac down, but check the people that I'm with.
Yes, I know. Chinese expert, what can I say? So the burgers arrived. I went for, obviously, good old hefty, weighty triple whop. Almost smashed the table in. I don't know where Jiao's gone. I think she might have left because she's absolutely like disgraced that I got burger again. She even left her bag as well, so she even left her food. So that's it. So Jiao's gone now. Jiao's gone. Right, so now let's tuck into this lovely burger. Fries, mediocre fries. Obviously McDonald's have the best fries, but Burger King have the best burgers. What can I say, really? Oh man, this burger is just amazing. It's so much better. I ordered takeaway the other day and it wasn't that good, but it's so much fresher. I mean, I guess because we're eating in here anyway. Just look at that amazing triple whop. Oh, amazing. Oh, McDonald's there. The enemy of Burger King. McDonald's. They do have good chips though. The French fries are a lot better. You want to go down there?
Oh, it's sunny.
The sun is out. The sun is out on the streets of Guiyang for the first time. What's this? Wow, claw machine. Claw machine. Look at that. Oh, she almost got it. Oh my god, it's actually sunny. It's actually sunny on the streets of Guiyang. Whoa! What on earth? Man, it's actually sunny. Whoa, look at these dinosaurs. What's going on here with all these dinosaurs? Man, so bright, eh? Alright, that's the end of this video. Man, just I'm absolutely full now. But things are looking up. Where are my sunglasses? Things are looking good for the city of Guiyang. And the next video, guy's taking a picture of the dinosaurs. Alright, so I'm signing off. Signing off from Guiyang once again. Look at those dinosaurs. And I'll see you in the next one. See you in the next video. More adventures coming from the city of Guiyang. Stay tuned for that. We may even in the next video we might even find a little shop that sells scratch cards and do a bit of scratching. Who knows? The journey continues. Stay tuned for the next video live from the streets of Guiyang. Signing off. Signing off. Peace.